Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking you to the Islands Adventure, and we're actually showing you a place where I've never ever done a video in. And it's actually called the Marvel Superhero Store. You get to look at the store to see what merchandise and what they have in there. It's really, really cool. So sit back, relax, and let's have some fun. Now, let's go. Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and magical day.